Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Goodies Gamer and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna take a look at Realm of Impossibility on the Commodore 64. From 1984, it's a kind of an action-adventure game. And this game is also known under another name called Zombies, but that is some kind of a prequel that came out the year earlier. So this is a more advanced and improved version of that game, with more dungeons. So let's see here, spacebar, instructions. I don't need to read everything here, but my task is to enter the dungeons and find the crowns and get out alive. Sounds fair enough. So I need to find keys or another symbol there like a U, and I have to go, when I have found those or one of those, I have to go back to the beginning, and that will lead me into the next stage, or the next level. So there is only one life, but the game is based on hit points, so when I go down to 0, I will die, and it's game over. There is no checkpoints at all, and I can move left to right or diagonally. Okay. Yes, I know that. Of course, yeah, when I use my fire button I can drop crosses, so to hinder my enemies to reach me. It's there, it sounds fair enough. And there are scrolls hidden, they are located in different rooms. I have not really figured out how to cast the spells yet, but it doesn't really matter. But there are 3 different kind of spells. So yeah, I think we are alright actually. Let's try the game out. So this is a 1 or 2 player game, but it's only me here, so let's push F7 and begin the game. Hope for the best. So I can choose here all this that is unlocked actually. That is cool. But I'm gonna start from the beginning here. So I'm new to this game, but I should try my best. So here I am. So graphics is very... I have to choose a joystick here. I play with the PlayStation 4 controller today, because my Xbox One controller that I normally use is broken. So I borrowed this one from a friend. So here we go. Yeah, like I said, the graphics is very basic. So I go down here and try to find a key somewhere. And my hit points is 80 from the beginning. Lost 2 hit points there. And I believe there is a scroll. Piss off. I don't know if that scroll gave me anything. Hey, piss off. I think it topped up my energy. Something like that, yeah. There is the key. So far so good, I must say. It's a cool little game actually, so... Hey, piss off. So all the enemies, they don't actually die, they just freezes, and they will continue being at the same spot as always when I leave a room and enter again. So here they are again, all the enemies. So off we go, and I think this is the exit up here somewhere. Yep, there you go. That was the first level. The Kaya Keep. Now let's try the Abyss. So if there is any viewers who have played this game, please comment and inform me how to play it actually, because I'm new to it. Like I said, there is a scroll down here. Hey. And another scroll down here. Piss off. Okay, so that is a spell. That is C. If I push spacebar, I think I can cast it. I should try it now. Actually, I have to stand still, I think. Stand still. Yes, I confused all the enemies there. There is another... Hey, they just show up. Let's... Piss off. So now I have a protect spell. So if I push fire, that will protect me. Oh shit, what happened to my spell now? Did I lose it? There's another scroll down there, but it looks dangerous located, so... Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, but... Have I blocked myself now? Oh my god. Losing. Can I please get down here? Yes. Without dying. Oh, I'm losing hit points. A lot. Come on, push it. Stay away from me, bastards. Hey! Piss off. You piss off. You bastards. Something like this, yes. I think I'm on the right course here. Yes, this must be the beginning. Yes! Let's continue. Stygian crypts. Yeah, this will probably be very difficult now. I should try to avoid being hit. Let's go over here. I'm just going to keep on playing until I'm game over. Now we have a C spell, that is confuse spell. I can use it now. Now they are confused. They just run around. Let's go up here. What the hell? Okay, that gives me more hit points. Piss off, everyone. Hey! Okay, let's go down here. It's a little bit difficult to climb the letters, actually. A lot of snakes and shit here. Piss off. Okay, now I have two different spells. That's pretty strange. Hey, piss off. Oh, I didn't touch any button there. I didn't push any buttons. I don't know. Sometimes it seems like there is an automatic. What the hell is that? Oh, this is like a key, I think. I think I have the key now. It wasn't a key, but it's another object that is just as good as a key, I think. I hope so. Please, they're really on my nerves here. They're blocking the way. Get up there. I have only 69 hit points left. They're swarming with enemies here. Fuck. Can I get back? Piss off. Shit, this is difficult. Hey, what the hell? Ah, okay, here is the right way. It was so narrow, I didn't see it first. Yes, okay. Can I get in here now? Area behind walls? Ah, okay, what did it say? Ah, it's still locked, okay, I got it. Let's try ethereal plane. Please hurry up, I want to play. Please, come on, stop loading. Okay, here we go. Where should I go first? Can I go in here? Yes, I believe so. There was some kind of spell up there, but I'm gonna keep on going down here. I hope for the best. Don't know where to go, but I'm just guessing here. Piss off. I have that. So this game came out also on a few other systems like Apple II and Atari 8-bit, I think. Oh shit. Can I get in there? It's so dark down here, I cannot see actually. There is something. What had happened now? I'm stuck here. Shit. Come on, I cannot get anywhere. Yeah, I died there. I don't know what happened there. I got stuck there. New record. There you go. Yes, that was it. That was it for today. Actually, that was Realm of Impossibility. Yeah, cool game. Actually, very cool game. Like I said, very basic graphics and everything, but when it comes to gameplay, it has something that I enjoy actually. This kind of exploring kind of game, that little bit of adventurous. So it's a cool game. I will probably come back to it and try to improve. So there you go. Thanks for watching everyone. Have a good one. Goodbye.